When we talk about approximations, let's start off with the whole number approximations. Y'all remember the rules for approximations? Think so? Alright. So I'm going to give you all two whole numbers and you will tell me what you think you remember about doing your approximations. So let's say I ask you all to round off round this off to the nearest 1000. What would you get? So I heard a lot of people say 1000. And yes, the answer is 1000 because when we approximate 1003 to the nearest 1000, we have some rules that we follow. If you all can recall, since we want to round off to the nearest 1000, this is a thousands digit, so we'll actually look at the digit in the hundreds position and we'll ask ourselves a particular question. What do we ask at this stage to determine whether or not we round off to the 1000 like we did here and we get 1000, or we have to add? What do we do? Yes, that's it. So we look at this digit and we ask the question, is this number greater than 5? So if it's 5 or greater than 5, we normally would say that we'll have to add a digit. We'll add 1 to the digit and we'll add 1 to this digit and then change everything else to zeros. But if it is less than 5, so this is the case that we want to look at now, right? So we look at it if it is greater than 5 or if it is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, we normally would just leave the digit as it is, right? I keep pointing at your own thing. Leave the digit as it is and then replace everything else with zeros, which is the reason why we get the 1000. Okay? Now, this basic rule that we pick up with approximating whole numbers, it gets extended into all the other types of approximations that we need to deal with. So just approximate this number to the nearest 1000 for me. What will we get? Yes, 3000. And for the MCU fans, I love you, 3000. Okay, so yes, whenever you have to do approximations with whole numbers, ask yourself the question, alright? If we are rounding off to a specific position, we look at the digit to the right of it, and if it is 5 or greater than 5, we will add 1 to this digit and then replace everything else with zeros. Or if it is the case like this one, we had to leave the digit as it is and replace everything else with zeros. So this is a case where we had the digit being 5 or greater than 5, and we added 1 to the position we're rounding off to, and everybody else get replaced with zeros, right? So nice. The approximations being extended into other types of approximations.